Now that your event is underway, it's time to capture who is attending. Once your event has been approved, you'll see it under a different option on the home screen called Capture Attendees. Go ahead and tap on it. If your device asks for permission to use your location, make sure to allow this. The system saves the GPS position to confirm that the attendance was captured at the event venue. You'll now see a list of your in-progress events. Select your event from the list. At the top of the screen, there are 3 tabs: Individual, Group, and Science Facilitator. Each one is used for a different situation. The Individual tag is used when you are capturing one person at a time. This works well when attendees arrive gradually or when you need specific details per person. For each individual, you will select their attendee type. Next, ask the attendee for their home province and district. You can then record these here. Next, record whether they have a disability. If they do, select the relevant type. If not, choose None. Next, select the participants' gender, race, and age group, and then indicate whether they are a repeat participant. A repeat participant is someone attending a multi-day event who has already attended a previous day. So from day 2 onwards, you would select Yes if they were present on any earlier day of that same event. Once all the information is correct, tap Add Individual. The entry will be saved immediately. Capturing groups. Sometimes people arrive in groups, for example, a school class arriving together, or maybe a group from a club, a university, a church, or a community organization. When a group shares similar background details, it can be much quicker to use the Group tab. When capturing a group, start by entering a group name. This can be the school's name, the organization name, or a simple label that helps you identify that group later. Now, instead of capturing people one at a time, you will record how many members of the group fall under each category. For example, how many learners are in this group, how many educators, how many tourists, or how many members fall under Other. You'll follow the same structure as individual capturing, just in totals. If any group members have a disability, enter the number in the appropriate disability type. Everyone else should go under None. The same applies to gender, race, age group, and province and district. You may ask the group to provide details of race. Remember, if any members of the group are uncomfortable giving this information, you can record them as unknown. Similarly, you should ask the group to provide details of gender, and if any members of the group are uncomfortable giving this information, you can record them as Other. Then, ask the group how many of its members fall under each of these age groups. It's important to make sure your numbers remain consistent. So if you recorded 30 learners and 2 educators, the totals you enter when selecting gender, race, and age groups should also add up to 32. If some of the group members have attended your event or a similar event before, you can record those under Repeat Attendees. Once you've reviewed everything and the totals look correct, simply tap Add Group. The group will now be submitted to the event record, just like individual entries. Now let's look at science facilitators. Capturing a science facilitator is very similar to capturing any individual attendee, but here we include a few extra professional details. First, enter the facilitator's name and, if available, their email address. This helps the event organizer to communicate with them later. Next, capture their area of specialization. For example, this could be physics, biology, robotics, environmental studies, or any field they primarily work in. Below that, select the facilitator's highest qualification. After that, choose their occupation. Then select the employment sector. This tells us where the facilitator works. Next, specify the event role they will play. You can quickly record the facilitator's motivation here. You will also be asked to choose the facilitator's facilitation language. All 11 official South African languages, plus sign language, are available. Select the language or languages they will use during the event. Then, we capture a few general details about the facilitator, such as attendee type, province and district, disability type, if applicable, gender, race, and age group. Finally, you'll be asked, is this a repeat science facilitator? Choose yes if they have facilitated before, or no if this is their first time. Once everything is complete, simply tap the Add Science Facilitator button to save and submit their details. Take your time when capturing attendance. Speak with the group representatives or facilitators to confirm totals before submitting. And remember, whether you choose individual, group, or facilitator, everything you record contributes to accurate event tallies.